am Prashant Bairagi and you are watching Solutions at Glance. This is our first video, so please support. In this series, we are covering basic mathematics, and we know that everything starts with basics. So let's start with the basic unit of mathematics, number system. Number system is a system of category of numbers which includes natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, positive integers, negative integers, non-negative integers, non-positive integers, even integers and odd integers. We will study them one by one with help of examples. So let's start with the first category of number, that is natural numbers. So natural numbers are represented by capital N, and the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. Now we can represent natural numbers in a number line with the help of reference 0. So 1 can be represented here, then 2, then 3 up to infinity. So this is the first category of number system, that is natural numbers. And the natural numbers are represented by n, and the set is given by 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. The second category is whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by capital W, and the set is given by 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. The basic difference between whole numbers and natural number is that 0 is considered as a whole number, and natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So this is the basic difference. Now the third category, integers. So integers are represented by capital I. 0, 1, 2, then up to infinity. So it includes all the values, all the non-fractional values from minus infinity to infinity, and is represented by capital I. Now the next category is positive integers. So we have discussed positive integers. So positive integers are represented by I, and they are positive, so I plus, and the set is 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So here is the 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So this category is positive integers. Now the fifth category is negative integers. Negative integers are just opposite of positive integers. So if we take the help of a number line, this is a number line with 0 as the reference. So this side is considered as negative, left of 0. So here are the numbers are -1, -2, -3 and up to infinity, up to minus infinity. So these are considered, this number or this set is considered as negative integers. So now the next category is non-negative integers. Now here we will discuss a basic point about 0. What is 0 actually? 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is an even number. 0 is considered as even. So here, when we are discussing non-negative integers, so we will also include 0, because it is neither positive nor negative. So the set for the non-negative integers will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now similarly, the next category is non-positive integers. So non-positive means negative, so the number line will be the left side of 0, -1, -2 up to minus infinity. So the set can be represented as माइनस इन्फिनिटी, और ऐसे ऐसे करके -3, देन -1 और ये 0. Okay, now we will discuss the next category, even integers. Now what are even integers? So first we will discuss what is even. Even numbers are generally of the form 2n, where this n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So when we substitute this value, so we get 2, 4, 6, 8. So these all are even integers, or simply they are divisible by 2. So the numbers which are divisible by 2 and they are integers also are represented as here -6, -4, -2, and we know that 0 is also even number, so we'll include 0 also here. Then after 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. So this is the set of even integers. Now we will discuss on odd integers which are not divisible by 2. So the category or the set can be defined as -5, -3, -1. Now we will not include 0 because 0 is an even number. So after 0 the odd number is 1, 3, 5 and so on. So here we have discussed all the types of number system or all the categories of number system. So let us have a look at this numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, positive integers and negative integers, non-negative integers, non-positive integers, and at last even integers and odd integers. So the basic thing here is we can understand with the help of a number line is that suppose this is a number line and this is a 0 which is taken as a reference. So the values to the right of 0 or greater than 0 are considered as positive, and values left of the 0 are considered as negative. This is the basic thing of number line. So here are the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on up to plus infinity, and here the numbers are up to minus infinity. So this is enough for this video. In the next video we will cover some more topics of basic fundamentals of mathematics. So thank you guys, and please support us and subscribe to the channel Solution at Glance and press the bell icon. Bye.